Yung mag-research and development ng mga bagong binhi, kakulangan ng trabaho, ang
lalo na sa mga relasyon natin sa mga dayuhan ng mga nagbibisita sa atin at tumutulong dito. Kaya very mataas yung kumpiyansa natin na magiging smooth ang itong relasyon natin dito sa
Plan mo, pwede po bang yan ang inyong komento?
Kababayan, mga dayuhan ng mga nagbibisita sa atin at tumutulong dito. Kaya very mataas yung kumpiyansa natin na magiging smooth ang itong relasyon.
RA daw could lead to abuses of Filipinos, specifically women daw po. You address concerns na yung RA daw could lead to abuses of Filipinos.
Napakadisiplinado po ng Japanese military self-defense forces. Alam niyo po,
Ang itong relasyon natin dito sa RA.
maybe to also answer that, napakadisiplinado po ng Japanese military self-defense forces. Alam niyo po, meron naman napakadisiplinado po ng Japanese military self-defense forces. Training ang mga Japanese self-defense forces. Magte-training din po ang ating mga sundalo ni 2024 national budget. And ang commitment, to answer your question,
We're still doing that.
Thank you, Ms. Marisol. Mr. Paul Montibon, sir.
Can you elaborate, like how direct is their participation po? Kasama po ba dito sa siyam yung mismong bumaril?
This, and we informed him about this.
Okay, so alam niya, and obviously with...
Nangyari yun. That was the procedure.
All right. Is there a...
Now we're looking at the end of this month.
Okay, and what happened?
We could be prepared in the Nabalcom.
Okay, so medyo...
Listening right now, I've always often been asked about that question. If a superior is corrupt and a superior is into drugs, kawawa yung taong under niya. The word is appeal. It's not a command. Hindi ko sinasabing ino-orderan ko kayo. No. It's voluntary on their part.
Okay, so voluntary. Will they get their full retirement benefits?
Such that criminal cases could be filed against them.
Right, so that goes to my next question. What happens to those who are involved?
Yun ang gagawin naming inspirasyon at motibasyon para sa pamilya.
Beautiful,
So,
Mayor.
ganun po ang nangyari.
Yeah. Sir, let's proceed to your appointment as MM.
Commitment sa ating mahal na Pangulo, President Marcos, sa mamayan ng Pilipino, lalo na dito sa Laguna. Punta rin meron tayo itong cash assistance price distribution program para sa ating mamayan at sa ating mga youth.
Si Tambaloslos, inaantok, inaantok.
We will emphasize our advocacy for rules-based international order to maintain
Ops.
President House Speaker Alan Peter Cayetano. There's a joint resolution.